FRH Analysis tab. We have opened a PXR file where spike detection and burst detection have already been performed, and we have created two groups using the channel grouping feature. Click the FRH tab to show the firing rate histogram. This tab will show the firing rate distribution of the channels that we have selected. So for instance, then we can click the scale and auto-scale our X and Y axes. On the X scale, we have the firing rate frequencies, and on the Y scale, we have the number of channels expressed as a percentage of the total channels considered. We can also adjust our bin size here for better visualization. Furthermore, the x-axis can be expressed in a logarithmic scale when we go to use the logarithmic x-axis and click it. Like the raster and AFR tabs previously discussed, we can also view the display settings from selected channels to visible groups and selected groups, and using control-click or just clicking on one group. Like the other analysis, we can also go to Chart and click to export the image or save our data to a workbook.